Remember to respect others while they're speaking. Make sure you're listening to their strategies. We have everybody in their chair check, sitting up tall, ready for learning. And then remember that we're searching for the most efficient strategy. So once we have a couple of different strategies on the board, we're going to talk about which one is the most efficient based on the number of steps that it took us to solve the problem. Okay? Alright, so look at this problem for a moment. Show me when you have a way to solve it using your proper hand signals. And we're going to get rolling. Alright, Adrian, tell me what you got.
So, I decomposed 47 to 40 plus 7.
Okay.
And then I added 40 plus 80.
Okay.
And that equals 112. Wait, no, 1200?
Look at it. Count again.
So close.
You know this. Just be confident.
120.
Okay. And did we put the and when we say that number?
120.
Very good. And how did you know? What strategy did you use to solve that problem?
Zero property.
Okay.
And counting on.
Okay, so you also used place value for the 4 in the tens place and the 8 in the tens place? And you said you counted on to solve that part of the addition? All right, and then what?
And then I had the 7 left over, so I did 120 plus 7.
Okay.
That equaled 127.
Very good. And what did you use to solve that part of the problem?
Zero property.
And is that your final answer?
Yeah.
Very good. And explain to me why you didn't decompose 80, you only decomposed 47, based on the strategy that we're focusing on this week.
Because they'll have no value, so if you just decompose that, it'd just be 80 plus 0.
Okay, so it's already a chunk in our base 10 that's easily added to another number, right? Okay, very good.
Oh, I have another way.
Okay, let me see if someone else has a different strategy, okay? That way we can give some other people an opportunity. Angie, tell me what you got on this problem.
Okay. I knew 40 was closest to 50.
Okay, 40?
I mean 47
Okay.
was closest to 50.
And what do we call that? What are you doing with that number?
Compensating.
And what is 50 to you? What kind of number is that?
That is a landmark number.
Very good. Sometimes we also call those friendly numbers. Excellent job. All right, and what did you do to get to that number? How did you compensate?
I added 3.
Okay, very good. And then what would you do?
And then I did 80 plus 50. That equals 130.
Okay, and how did you get that?
Zeros property.
Okay. And did you also have to use a little place value for that tens and hundreds spot?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what?
And then I subtracted 130, subtract 3.
Okay.
That is 127.
All right, excellent job. And how did you get this part of this?
Counting backwards.
Okay. And tell me why you subtracted 3. Where did that minus 3 come from?
From the top, you still have a number there, so you have to subtract the number.
Okay, so where you added 3 when you compensated, you have to go back and correct that compensation at the end to get your exact number. All right, very